In this video, I'm going to talk about the difference between VTI and VTSAX. You see, I get a lot of people who ask me, what's the difference between VTSAX and VTI? I mean, they're both Vanguard index funds, they both are total stock market index funds, and they both invest in the exact same stocks and have identical performance. Well, let's talk about the differences, and at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you which fund I prefer. The first major difference is that VTI is an ETF and VTSAX is a mutual fund. And in layman's terms, what that means is that VTI trades exactly like a stock. So I can buy this ETF with any online broker like Schwab or Robinhood, and I could buy it at 10 a.m. and sell it at 10:05 a.m. Meanwhile, VTSAX works a little bit differently. Since VTSAX is a mutual fund, you typically have to have a Vanguard account to buy this fund. In general, you won't be able to buy this fund using an outside broker like Schwab or Robinhood. And with VTSAX, since it's a mutual fund, you can't buy and sell it the same day like you can with VTI. The second biggest difference, as you can see here, is that VTSAX has an investment minimum of $3,000. So if you don't have a minimum of $3,000 to invest, you can't buy this mutual fund. Meanwhile, VTI has no investment minimum and you can buy one share for $211 currently. And even if you don't have $211 to invest in this fund, most brokers will allow you to buy fractional shares of this ETF. The third biggest difference between these two funds is the expense ratio. As you can see here, VTI has an expense ratio of 0.03% and VTSAX has an expense ratio of 0.04%. So VTSAX will charge you a little bit more in fees. Now, in terms of which index fund I prefer VTI. I love the fact that you can buy VTI using any online broker of your choosing. I love the fact that it has no investment minimums. And I love the fact that VTI is an ETF, which means it trades exactly like a stock. Which Vanguard Total Stock Market Index fund do you invest in? VTI or VTSAX? Let me know in the comment section below. And as always, financial knowledge is power. Please like and follow for more.